Hi, Ma. Since it's Mother's Day, Happy Mother's Day. And I can't give you anything. Number one, because wala akong pera. Number two, kasi we're na support. So, after 2 weeks ko pa mabibigay sa'yo yung hug ko. But I want to be punctual, Kaya I'm sending you songs. So, this number one song, I'll Be There For You by Martin Rivero. It's not my song for you. It's basically my thank you song, or maybe the story, or maybe the narrative, or maybe my interpretation of how you've been to me ever since, actually. Sa failures, sa achievements, sa shortcomings ko, as a person, as a daughter, as a sister, as a leader, etc. You've always ensured me na you'll be there for me. Kaya, here's your song for me, actually. Pero I'm picking it to make it more personal, and I hope you like it. Babala. Bear with my voice dahil nagmana lang ako. Okay, let's sing! When I wake up each morning, I feel like calling. You tell me I'll be there for you. When the routine's untrue, can't stop being hurting. You always tell me I'll be there for you. And still you continue on saying, when there's no one beside you, I'll be there to guide you, catch you each time you fall. When the stars won't shine anymore, you always say, I'll be there. Thank you for that. When the world's unkind and my dreams need more time, you always tell me I'll be there for you. And then I keep on complaining that the rules they keep breaking and my future is fading. But still you keep on saying, don't worry because I'll be there for you. And still you say, the rainbow will end in the palm of your hand. Don't ever let it go. And I'm learning not to let go. Because when the stars won't shine anymore, I know that you'll be there. Ulitin ko yung part na yun kasi. And still, I complain. The rainbow will end in the palm of your hand. And still you keep on saying, don't ever let it go. Because you assure me, Mana, when the stars won't shine anymore, I'll be there. So thank you for being there all the time. Happy Mother's Day. But there's one more song coming. I'll just cut this to rehearse. I love you.